to show you how to play the Evangelical Invitational Hymn, Just As I Am. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with an easy intro. We're in the key of E flat, so we'll start on a B flat 7 chord. B flat, D, F, G, A flat. So the G is just a passing tone, but your B flat 7 is 1, 3, D, B flat D, 5, 7, A flat. So by starting with that B flat 7, we're starting with the 5, 7, the dominant 7th, which leads to that, which leads right back to E flat, the tonic chord in the key of E flat. So we've got B flat D, F, G, A flat, and that's all we need for an introduction. Then you go right to the E flat melody. E flat, F, G, G, B flat, A flat, G, F, G, A flat, G, B flat, F, G, A flat, C, C, B flat, G, E flat, F, G, G, B flat, A flat, G, C, C, E flat, D, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, A flat, G, F, B flat, G. So we end on a G, start on an E flat. Now on the left hand we're just going to have a E flat, open 5th, E flat, E flat, B flat, again E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, D, E flat. So we go from the E flat chord to the B flat chord, and then back to the E flat chord, then back to the B flat chord. Then we throw an A flat in there, A flat, E flat, back to the E flat, then A flat, C, E flat. So we'll throw the A flat chord in there again. It goes back to the 4 chord and back to the E flat chord. Then we go to the B flat chord, B flat. I'll play it there toward the end. I'll play the B flat and the D, and then I'll play B flat and the D and the F, and then E flat. That's the way we'll end. We'll end very similar to where we began, but we began with the, and I'll play the E flat chord, E flat, B flat, E flat, F, G, using that F as just a passing tone. So here we go with the introduction, and I'll play it hands together very slowly. You can't play this too slowly probably. Now I'll change the tempo on what I'm doing there in the left hand to match the right hand melody. E flat, B flat, then quickly E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, D, E flat, B flat, E flat. So you'll see a little bit of difference there, but just match it. Just match whatever's going on in the melody. Now, if you want, you can vary that, and you can play it like this. So you can put a little dotted quarter in there. But I don't have the letter notes written that way. I have the letter notes just written straight. Go to the A flat right there. See, we've got it earlier. Anytime you got that C in the melody, you're going to have the A flat chord, because that A flat chord is A flat, C, E flat. that C again. There's your B flat chord. See your B flat D F. The B flat chord is unique because it's got it has a black, white, white. Because you got no black note here or there. So B flat D F. Then I'll just hit that B flat together, fill it with the D and the F, and then if you have more verses, you can just play it again. Just As I Am, classic gospel invitational hymn. I hope you enjoy playing it.